Throw this shade on me, like they all hate on me. Don't bring that rage on me. Why they throwing shade on me, like they ashamed on me? I thought, what age are we?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my top 3 favorite smoothies that have helped me lose my first 10 pounds without any exercise. These smoothies are packed full of nutrition. They have everything you need, and these smoothies are a full balanced meal. Proteins, fats, macros, micros, everything you possibly need for your body to run at its optimal level. If you love raspberry cheesecake, chocolate mint, and peach mango, and you want to lose weight off of those flavors, then definitely stay tuned till the end of the video. First, we're going to be making the chocolate mint smoothie, and this is by far the one that I crave the most. It's so filling and delicious. You will want it all of the time once you make it. Here I am adding some almond milk, probably about a cup of this, and typically I like to add a little bit of water to it, which you will be seeing in my other smoothies. Now I'm going to be adding about a tablespoon of cacao powder. I typically like to do a generous amount, or however much you prefer. Really don't even need to add this step at all. I just do this to make it a little extra chocolatey, and raw cacao powder has so many benefits. Now I'm going to be adding the main ingredient, and that is the chocolate mint powder, because this is a chocolate mint smoothie, and I am adding 2 scoops to the mix. And if you do not have the mix blend that I am using, that is okay. What you can do is just add some raw cacao, and if you have some peppermint extract, then do that, and you'll have a pretty close blend. Now I just added a little bit of coconut oil, and that is completely optional. Then I just added some ice, and I actually added a little bit of water to this, and now I'm just going to blend this up and I'll show you the results. Now it is ready to drink, and you will thank me later once you try this. It is so delicious and creamy, and it's just bursting with a chocolate mint flavor. So if you are craving that unhealthy chocolate mint ice cream that I used to eat tons of, this is definitely going to help with that craving while sticking to your weight loss goals. Alright, now moving on to the strawberry cheesecake smoothie. I recently have tried this one, and I bought 3 of them, and I'm so glad I did because it's so worth it. You're going to love this, especially if you love a good strawberry cheesecake and are craving dessert. So as you can see, I went ahead and added a little over a cup of water. Now I am just putting in 2 scoops of the strawberry cheesecake powder. I'm going to add a little splash or 2 or 3 of almond milk to make it a little bit more creamier. I like to do this blend just because I like my smoothies a little bit more liquidy. Now I am again adding a little bit of coconut oil, and this is optional. I'm going to be adding some ice, and you can add as much ice as you like, or if you do not want any, that's fine too. Oh my gosh, guys, just take in that creaminess. Just let it soak in. It is so good, and this one is a hands down a must try. It's one of my favorites, and I know you will really like it. This is full packed of nutrition. It's going to give you so much energy. Moving right along to the peach mango smoothie. Following the same routine as the previous smoothies, add a little over a cup of water, and then add as much almond or coconut milk or milk of your choice to add some more creaminess and richness. Add just 2 scoops of the peach mango powder,
And again, if you do not have this powder, do not worry. Go get some peaches, go get some mangoes, put them together. You have a peach mango smoothie. As you saw, add some coconut oil if you wish, and then add some ice. Now let's pour the peachy mango smoothie, and this is once again giving you full of nutrition, and it's a balanced meal, so you can replace a meal with this and you will feel full and satisfied. Trust me. That is one reason why I do add the extra healthy fat, which is the coconut oil, because that keeps you full for so much longer. But really, it does not need it because honestly, it is a full balanced meal in itself. And it's so delicious. You will crave this. It's going to give you energy.
So guys, these are my healthy smoothies. I hope you enjoyed. This is the brand that I use, and of course you can go out and make these exact same flavors and put as much nutrition as you can. These are just packed full of nutrition already made in one container for you, and so that has really helped me lose my first 10 pounds. These are so delicious. I never thought that I would be like a smoothie girl. Like the peach mango has such a summery vibe to it, and then the chocolate mint is just good anytime. And the limited edition raspberry cheesecake that I have is just phenomenal. I'm just really pleased with the flavors. The only thing that I would change if I could is I would make these flavors into a vegan option because my sinuses can tend to flare up a little bit, but these have not bothered me, and probably because they are made out of the highest quality of whey protein. If you are interested in what I'm using, then just ask any questions for me about them, then please let me know in the comments down below. These have just been so easy, so simple, and I'm all about easy and simple and healthy, and these are just perfect for me. And obviously I'm not sponsored by this company. I mean, just take a look at my subscribers and my views. Hello. I am giving you my true opinion about this stuff, and it's just so good, and I'm so happy with the results that I have seen so far. If you like this video and want to see more like this and with other types of flavors and combos, then let me know in the comments down below. I will be doing some more of that stuff, so definitely stay tuned for that. Please be sure to like and subscribe.
Why they throwing shade on me? Like they ashamed on me? I thought what